Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the boot order on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To do it, go to boot options, then you'll find boot order here. And this is the order in which the devices will be booted. So by default at first there is the OS boot manager. You can see that if I had more than one system installed on my drives, on my hard drives, like for example dual booted Windows and Linux, then I could change its order right here within that OS boot manager. But you can also move it all together. So just when your laptop starts, it'll start booting from the first device on the list. If it can't, then it'll try the other one, and so on until the end of the list, until it can boot from something. And also, if you don't want to change the boot order, just want to boot from a certain device once, then you can watch a video on our channel on how to enter one-time boot menu. And that I think is a bit more helpful. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.